This is a website that you can actually use to earn your first money online. And no, I am not happy. In today's video, I'll be showing you the name of this website. I'll be showing you how you can register on this website, and I'll be showing you how you can earn your first earning on this website. So if you want to see this happen, I will advise that you see this video on to the end. I am Sam, and I make videos about how you can actually start earning online, because I've been making money online since 2020, and I strongly believe that everybody, in as much as you are determined, you are consistent, can make money online. Alright, so if you want to see this happen, stay and see this video on to the end, and I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back into the video. So the name of this website is Gumroad. We are going to click it right now. So the first thing we are going to do is to just search it on Google, so that it will stick into our head. We won't have to forget the name of the website. As you can see, when we searched it, it is the first website that came out on the screen. So I'm just going to enter it right now. As you can see, it says here that go from $0 to $1. This is actually the site that millions of people are using to earn online. And if we should come to Gemini, you know Gemini, right? Gemini is Google AI. So if you come to Gemini, and let us just search it, that how many people use Gumroad to make money online in the world. Let's see what it will bring us for us. So we are waiting for the network to load right now. Why Gumroad does not publicly update the real-time exact head count of its active users based every day. Current industry data creator report shows that there are approximately 19,500 people to 46,000 active creators earning money on the platform. Alright, now if you should come down, because I don't want to really waste time on this video, if you should come down now, it says that, or let me increase my zoom so that you can see. It says that any earnings collectively, the data entrepreneur on Gumroad regularly pulls in massive numbers, often processing over $2 million in weekly creator payouts globally. Listen to this, $2 million in massive creator globally. This is a lot of money, if you ask me. And if you are a smart person, if you want to make money online, then you should actually start using Gumroad right now. So let us go back into the video. Now the first thing you want to do right now is to check out the website, because of course what a real simple person will do right now is to know what this website is all about even before you go on to register. Now it says here that sell to anyone. Go from $0 to $1 and make automated workflow. Let your customer pay in their own currency. This means that they can pay in whatever currency that they are using in their country. Choose between one-time, recurring, or fixed length payment in your currency of choice. They are even giving you that they can pay you either in pounds, they can pay you in dollar, they can pay you in euro, they can pay you in rands, any currency of your own choice. Alright, it says here on the second face of the screen, it says that sell anywhere. Customize your storefront with all-in-one platform to choose to use your personal site instead. You can even integrate it into your personal website if you have a website. But for you, my focus is you as a beginner. How do you make money on this website as a beginner? We will get to that. Alright, so let us not be in haste. Let us go down to what we have on the screen. Instead of building a company, it says that instead of building a company, start selling a side project. You don't have to find money to start a company to do everything. You can start making money on the go if you actually know what you are doing. And I will teach you how you can start earning online with this website even as a beginner. Don't worry, stay with me. You know all those great ideas you have. Now we want you to try them, lots of them, and find out what works for you. Now they've even put in what I checked out on Gemini. They've even put it on their website, so you know that it is not fake. Alright, now we've heard a lot. These are testimonials of people who have used this website to actually earn. But now we won't be reading this because I don't want this video to go too long. Alright, now let us register on this website and see what is in this website. Now to register on this website, okay, before I continue, I want to give a bonus to this video. This means that this Gumroad, they actually have an open position right now. Alright, so to see the open position, you come to the screen and you click on jobs. Now when you click on jobs, you will see open roles. They have an open role right now, and you can see they are looking for customer support specialists. Now if you are qualified for this position, you can actually apply Oh, they are looking for design engineer. Sorry, this position has been occupied already. They are looking for design engineer, and they have the salary range of $189,000 to $210,000 per year. All right. So if you are qualified for this position, you can apply by tapping on the screen, see the qualifications and all of that, and you can see how to apply. Email or show us your work, initial blah blah blah, and then you can, yeah, you can get hired if you are qualified. Alright, so let us go back to the purpose of this video, how you can start earning as a beginner with Gumroad. Now you click on the side of the screen, at the top right side of the screen, you click on start selling. Now you want to create an account, right? So because of my own privacy, I will be posting this video, create an account, and I will come back. Alright, now I have signed up on this website. What we are going to do right now is to understand this layout. All right, this is the home page, and you can see welcome on board, make an impression, all this blah blah blah. All right, when you want to create your own product, you just come to the side of the screen where you see the arrow and you click on product. It will take you to this page where you can create your product. And if you want to collaborate with other creators, you can also have this. You collaborate with other creators, add collaborator, as you can see at the right side of the screen. And then this is where you check your sales. When you are making sales, this is actually where you check your still. This is how you see how your product is performing, just like you see it on YouTube analytics. If you are familiar with YouTube, you see analytics. Now this is how you see how your product is performing. And of course, you can also be an affiliate on this platform. This is if you are good with marketing, you can actually make money online with this platform by affiliating with people. And this is where you get your payouts, and that is you set your payouts. You also have the threshold for payouts. You set your payouts in the settings, and then you can see Nigeria. You see country Nigeria. This is to tell you that Nigeria is allowed on this website. And then to set your payout, you need to have a valid government issue ID. This is your NIN. This is have a proof of residence with this country. This is your light bill, your prepaid bill. You buy some token of electricity to your prepaid, and then you show them this receipt, and then you sign up as an individual or as a business. All right. So this is how you set up your payout option, and then after you pass this, you can actually add your bank. Now let us go to how you can actually earn with this website as a beginner. I am going to explain this right now. Now, let us imagine that you are a private chef.
Spend the day with me as a private chef living in Benin City. So I got to my client's house, I wore the appropriate outfit, we headed straight to the market. And guess what, guys? My client told me that this meal was one of his favorite food, and he was so impressed with my cooking. Then he now decided to take me out for a little shopping, and we also went for swimming. Then after everything, I went back home the next day.
You know that as a private chef, you know some kind of recipe that regular people do not know how to cook. Alright, you know some delicious recipe, how to make stuff and stuff together to come out with another stuff. You know this kind of cooking techniques that a regular housewife does not know. Now, this recipe, you can actually craft them into a book. Alright, and then you put it on Gumroad, and then you tell people that if they want to access this recipe, they have to buy it from this place. And when they get to this place, you have already set your price. They are going to buy this with your price. And how you can achieve this is first growing an audience. Alright, you have to grow an audience either on TikTok, either on WhatsApp, either on Snapchat, Facebook, or there are different platforms whereby you can actually start and grow an audience. And when you have an audience, it's not necessarily that you have thousands of followers. You can have 500 audience, you can have 1,000 audience. Once you have audience that resonates with you, audience that believe in you, audience that know you that this person is a private chef, and they see what you are cooking online, they will actually want to buy your recipe, and this is how you make money with this. Let us imagine that you are a graphic designer and you know how to use Photoshop very well. You can actually create your own template that, well, okay, maybe this is how to design, let us say, a book cover. This is how to design a book cover. You can create that template of that book cover. That ordinary person that does not know how to design can use that template and create something beautiful for himself to use and make money. Now you can actually use this template and upload it on Gumroad, and then before they access that template, they have to pay you. Let us imagine you set it to 15,000 naira. They have to pay you through that website, through that link. They have to pay 15,000 naira, and that goes to your account on Gumroad, and you can actually withdraw to your bank account from Gumroad to your pocket. It is very simple. So let me break it down for you to understand. Number one, you create an account on Gumroad. After you've created an account on Gumroad, number 2, you build an audience for yourself. Now, when you have an audience, let's say 500 followers, when they like you, when they connect with you, they actually like commenting on your post, you can actually sell to them by what you know how to do. It is that simple. All right, it is very, very, very simple. Now let us see what people are actually selling on this website to earn. Let us see if my suggestion to you is actually working. So we are just going to search Gumroad like we did earlier. Alright, so we are going to enter it, and as you can see, search marketplace, as you can see. So I'm going to search templates because of course this is a demonstration video to teach you how you can use this website. So I am not a buyer, a real buyer right now, so I don't know what to search, but then let us search template. As you can see, these are our results. Now we are going to go to rating and go to 4.5 rating. As you can see, these are products that come out with templates. As you can see, this creator says here that create animated low poly characters even if you have never opened Blender. I have never opened Blender, but I know that animators actually use Blender to create their animations. Alright, all these Mortal Kombat cartoon series, all this and that and that and that, they use Blender to do it. And this person is actually giving you a tutorial series on how to use Blender. Even he said, even if you have never opened Blender before, this is, you will get this for 59, let's just say $16. Let me just round it off, $59.99. This just is $60. This person is selling this, and as you can see, this person is really selling. Look at the rating. All right, let's go to another one. This is a writer, Zim writer. This person does not really explain. Okay, the AI writer trusted by SEO expert. This is for SEO. All right, and this is, as you can see, I said something about recipe the other time. This is not about food though, but this is about juice, how to create drinks. As you can see on the screen, the real fermentation system. And when you are familiar with the word fermentation, you know that this is talking about alcohol, how to create alcohol. And I want to believe that this is organic alcohol, the real fermentation system. This person is selling it for $57. Now this is more copy. You know, I said something about templates the other time, and I've not even opened this. I can see this is working. This person has created the mockups. If you're a graphic designer, you already know what a mockup means. And then this person has 77 ratings. This person is selling it for $15 in a month. Mockup template. As you can see, these are other things: avatar, operating system, and you can even load more. Of course, you can load more. And if we go on and if we search, if you are just a writer who knows how to write romance book, you can search werewolf book. Let's see what that comes out. Okay, there's no result found for that. Let us just search. Okay, I think I missed the spelling. Let's search book. As you can see, these are books that you can actually read and enjoy. These are books. This is a Nigerian. I can actually detect this by the book cover. This is a Nigerian writer, and this person is actually selling her product because she's a girl. She's selling her product for $40. Alright, this is all this vegan recipe. Okay, this is vegan recipe. This is recipe. I mentioned recipe the other time, and a lot more. Whatever you know how to create, you can actually create it and pay and upload it behind the paywall. This means that people will pay to access your product, and you will make money. If you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend about this channel, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.